Raymond Arteaga Zamora, born June 27, 1935, was a Filipino film actor best known for his leading roles in local martial arts films and action movies of the 1970s. He was popularly dubbed as the Bruce Lee of the Philippines. He began his entertainment career in 1953 as a stuntman and dancer for LVN Pictures. He persevered in the vaudeville circuit, performing regularly at the Clover Theater and the Manila Grand Opera House. He also was a member of the Festival Dancers, a dance troupe which performed international tour regularly. At the time of his death from a heart attack in his Antipolo home, Zamora had completed one last film that had yet to be released, A Tall for Rent. His remains is at Loyola Memorial Park in Marikina.
Ano po ba pangalan nyo?
Magwayin.
Mag-aiber ba kanyo?
Magwayin. Mapanganib ang gagampanan mong papel. Maraming kaaway. Maraming labanan.
Aswang nga, tsugi sa akin eh.
Makipagbiruan sa'yo, ha? Ilabas mo yan. Pag hindi mo nilabas, pipikuhin ko yung bungo mo. Baka ikaw yung pikuhin ko. Basta wala akong kinukuha sa'yo. Anong wala? Ilabas mo yan.
Wala. Ikaw naman kasi, hindi na mo inom eh. Pag inom ng anak, dahan-dahan lang. Huwag mo na eh. Pinigla ko eh, no? Oo, masyado. Lagyan mo yung exam mo. Yung inahan sa akin na tayo. Okay, pagkita. Let's go. Ikwento mo yung sa amin. Ang tungkol sa nangyari ng bagyo. Bagyo? Ako? Nasa laot kami noon. Ang dami namin magkakasama, ang dami namin. Naku, kita ko ganyan, pantay-pantay kami. Sa gitna na kami ganyan, tapos naramdaman ko, may ulan. Ang lamig nun, giniginaw pa eh. Bata ka, ha? Nung nasa laot na kami, biglang na lang kumulong. Naramdaman ko yan, tapos may alo na ganyan. Aba, nilabanan ko. Kinuha ko yung sagwan na ganyan, saka ko hinataw. Kaliwa, hinataw ko sa kanang ganyan. Aba, tuloy pa rin yung alon, yung bangka ko pa ganyan-ganyan. Tuloy-tuloy na pa ganyan, tuloy-tuloy. Yung tuloy-tuloy na ganyan. Naku, lakas talaga na sa akin. Mamaya-maya na. Nakita ko ganyan, parating na ganyang kalabahay na alon. Hinintay ko yun, hinintay ko.
Hold it. Hold it. That's the place. All right, how much do I owe you? Four?
Yeah.
Hey, what are you up to, young man? You looking for something?
I can't find my wallet. I had it just now. Perhaps it slipped down.
Or maybe it was taken by that other passenger.
Oh, no. I thought the times had changed. I thought they'd stop the pickpockets.
Yeah, I've heard that kind of story before. Come on, pay up.
Mister, I told you.
Ngayon lang kasi ako nakakita ng ganyang kagamitan. Pasensya na ho.
Ano masasabi mo? Tama, anak. Una ang Diyos sa lahat. Pambihira ka na, bigla ako ah. Sige, pasok na. Masama ba rita? Marami red tayo. Ay! Aray! Hindi ko. Aray! Aray!
Ba? Kapag kayan, pinalo mo, ikaw ang hahatawin ko. Bakit ba?
Akalain mo, pinarip. Rips to rips ako doon sa statwa?
Ano yun?
Daanan!
Sino nangarang?
Ako!
Sino may kasalanan?
Ako!
Ikaw pala eh.
Warang yung buhay to. Ako may kasalanan. Kasalanan ko nga siguro dahil harang-harang ako doon eh.